everyone, welcome back to Kendi Beauty. So, it's here. PATRICKSTARRR's One Size Beauty new makeup visionary collection. And all I can say is, wow, that's fast. If you guys haven't seen my other video on the makeup remover wipes and dissolving mist, make sure you check that out. In that video, I was basically just whining and complaining like I was hoping for makeup from PATRICKSTARRR because of the MAC collection. Everything he's done with makeup has just been wonderful. So I was saying in my last video I was a little bit disappointed and I really wanted makeup. And lo and behold, guess who commented and said makeup is coming soon? Patrick himself, which I was so like just elated about. I couldn't believe that Patrick took the time to watch my video. That just goes to say like what an awesome person he is. And then he also gave me the sneak peek that makeup was coming soon. Now, did I imagine that it would be this soon? No. Like, that was a couple days ago, you guys, and already we have a whole makeup collection. So I am super excited to dive into this and show you guys swatches, do a look, and we'll see what this is all about. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, tap the bell, share with a friend, and let's get right into this collection. Okay, so first off, we're gonna give a little bit of background information on the collection. This visionary collection is individual items. It is not a group collection that you can purchase all together, at least not at this point. It is available on Sephora.com and on onesizebeauty.com, which is Patrick's site. It launched on July 30th, which is actually today. Hopefully I will get this video up soon. But it launched on the 30th. And we're gonna get right into it. So first off, we have the One Size Point Made 24-Hour Gel Eyeliner Pencils. We have Bodacious Black and Busty Brown. These retail for $19 each, and it is a 24-hour waterproof and ultra pigmented gel eyeliner that combines the silky texture of a liquid liner with the smudgy texture of kohl. Get effortless application one swipe. This full gel eyeliner pencil features a formula that allows the perfect amount of time to smudge and perfect to your liking before drying down to its long wear 24-hour matte finish. Once it's dry, it won't bleed or smudge. So when I do the swatches, I'm going to actually try to wipe everything away to see if these claims are true about these two pencils. But I'm really excited that he did a black and a brown. Alright, and he didn't just stop there, he also did a point felt liquid eyeliner as well in Bodacious Black. It is supposed to be a matte, true matte 24-hour waterproof liquid eyeliner that glides on like a dream to create precise lines that won't fade, flake, bleed, or smudge. It features a comfort drip. This drag-proof, ultra-precise liquid eyeliner is made with Bodacious Extra Black Highly Pigments, ready to stop traffic. Due to the no-tug texture, lines are smooth and even. Its weightless feel allows you to seamlessly layer on top of eyeshadows and or won't blend into false lashes. So here she is, and this retails for $19 as well. I really like how small and precise and pointy the tip is. He also did make it very comfortable to hold with the comfort grip. I really like that. I've never seen that in an eyeliner before. And then one thing that I really liked he said in his video, which we're gonna find out if it's true or not, is that he said that he made this because his eyes water and he has sensitive eyes. He made this for people that have sensitive eyes. It's not supposed to, you know, bleed or water, or it's just supposed to stay put and do its job basically. And then he also graced us with 5 different shades of liquid eyeshadows. They're called eye poppers. And I did purchase all 5 shades to show you guys and swatch for you guys. And I did purchase this whole collection myself. It wasn't in PR, although I really loved the PR box. I really wish it was in PR, but I wasn't fortunate enough to get PR. And I went and purchased everything myself. So I did purchase all 5 to show you guys. And he says that these are long-lasting, flake-free. They don't get on like long lashes, which I love because I have naturally long lashes, and then when I put lashes on top of that, I'm always finding that eyeshadow gets flaky. If I do glitter or any kind of liquid shadow, it flakes off into lashes. So his claim is that these are flake free. They're long lasting, they're longer to fit into people's hands, and they're also larger and noticeable to be able to find in your kit right away, which I love because I'm literally always searching for makeup, whether it's in my kit or just to use. Like, I'm always like, where is that? I know I just had it. So I really like that. The Everything and More shade is supposed to be a rose sort of gold shimmer sparkle shade. The P House is supposed to be a champagne peaches shade. Let's Pump is more of a cool tone, sort of silver sparkle shade. The Continental is a deep gold shade. The Continental is like a Crown Royal deep gold shade. And then the Death Drop is a deep black shade with silver and gold sparkle in it. Those retail for $22 each. So if I can find a nice liquid eyeshadow, I don't know, I just haven't had luck with liquid eyeshadows. So I'm really excited to see what these are all about. And I'm glad he brought these out like right away in this collection before other products down the road. And I didn't even realize one of my lights was off, so sorry about that, you guys. But finally, last but not least, we have the One Size PATRICKSTARRR Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. It says a one-size-fits-all 15-pan palette eyeshadow palette with 9 super pigmented mattes and 6 eye-catching shimmers that are opaque, creamy, and blendable. And these products are vegan and cruelty-free. And I'm just loving this like reflective pink packaging with the red. I love pink and red, and it's so beautiful. And then he also says that because he wears nails, and typically I do too, however, hello, I'm in New York, so the struggle is real for us New Yorkers. I have not been able to get my nails done or do my nails or anything like that with everything with the COVID. But anyways, he says that this specific design right here, specifically in mind for people with nails, that can just easily open and close the palette. So I cannot wait to dive into this palette and see what everything is all about. And let's get on to our swatches. All right, first up we have the Liquid Point Blank liner. We have the 2 gel liners in brown and black. Then we have the P House Eye Popper, the Everything and More, the Let's Pump, Continental, and Death Drop. Wow, these are not budging, you guys. They are not budging at all. The eye poppers a little bit, but the liners, no. Wow. Alright, now on to the Visionary palette. First we have Manila Sands, Taupe of Game, Brownie, Suede Charm, Turban Legend, Title Holder, Soft Serve, Everything, All of It, Blue Mondew, Mango, Booked, Walnut Strut, Matcha, and Rebel Gray. These just look so beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait to play with the palette. Alright, now on to creating our look. I did go ahead and prime my eyes with the P. Louise base 0.5, and now let's get into this palette. Okay, so first up I'm going to go in with this Suede Charm color and then this Mango color down here, and I'm sort of mixing the two together to create my transitional sort of above the crease shade. I'm just sort of tapping that at the very edge, outer corner of the eye, and then sort of just diagonally up. The shades are pretty pigmented, I would have to say, but these are kind of like transition shades, so I really like the Mango shade. It's really pretty. Everything is blending pretty effortlessly. Alright, now with my Morphe M170/6, I'm gonna go into this sort of olive shade called Matcha, and as you guys can see, just some fallout in the pan, but nothing too noticeable yet on the eye. And I'm just going in with Matcha right on the outer corner of the eye. And now that I've stamped that Matcha shade, I am gonna go in with this Blue Mondew shade. This is the shade he says, you know, that he put on Katy Perry. I'm literally just going right inside of the Matcha shade. I'm not really getting too crazy with it. And this shade does have like a little bit of reflect, a little bit of sparkle. Okay, and there is a lot of fallout in this shade. Like, I'm already starting to get some, but it is very pigmented. Alright, and now I'm gonna go into this Everything shade, and I'm just using a synthetic brush I got on Amazon. I like to get Amazon brushes sometimes because for the most part they do the job for the day and I don't spend that much money on them, so I can always kind of like toss them once they go bad, or if I need to use them for glitter or something and I don't want to mess up my brushes or clean my other brushes, then I'll use like Amazon brushes a lot of times. But I'm really excited. This shade looks so pretty. And I'm just going to put that right on the center of the lid. Oh, hello. Okay, that looks amazing already, and I didn't even use my finger. I am going to use my finger now. I want to see what the difference is with a finger versus a brush. Yeah. I mean, either way, these shades apply really nice. Like, with the finger it was nice, but with the brush it was nice. And usually with shimmer shades, you'll find that like you can't always use a brush, you have to use your finger. But these are really picking up on the brush, which I'm loving. Alright, and now I am going to, of course, try out the topper. I think I'm going to go in with this Everything and More shade. Hopefully that will match the eyeshadow. That is so pretty, you guys. Oh, I'm loving this already. Alright, and I'm just going to go right on the lid. This is a very wet formula, so it'll be interesting to see how this dries down. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Point Blank Felt Tip Liner. I feel like my lighting keeps changing today. It's like the sun is going down and everything like that. Wow, I'm really liking, like, the tip is very flexible, but yet precise. This is the best winged liner I think I've ever done. Oh my goodness. And it's going over the sparkly eye popper just seamlessly. I don't notice any like movement. It's staying in place. Wow, this might be my new favorite liner. Alright, so now I'm going underneath my eye with the blue Mondew shade. Alright, now that I'm done with the blue, I am just going to go into my waterline underneath of the eye with the Busty Brown Point Blank Gel Liner. And then sort of in the tight line of the outer corner of my upper eye. I'm really liking how that's looking. It's a really pretty brown shade and it's definitely complementing my deep brown eyes. Alright, you guys, I'm going to clean things up, throw on some lashes, lip, concealer, foundation, and we will be back for our final look and our final thoughts on this visionary collection. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look. Overall, I'd have to say I'm extremely pleased with this new PATRICKSTARRR One Size Beauty Visionary Collection. I really didn't have any issues with any of the items. The palette for $42, you know, it's not in the high range compared to other Sephora palettes that are $50, $60 with other influencers like Huda Beauty and so forth. You know, $42 is on the lower range. You get 15 shades. Some are matte, some are shimmers, and basically, you know, that's $2.80 a pan. The pans are very large. There was some fallout, but that's to be expected with a highly pigmented shadow. So I did really enjoy the eyeshadow palette. The eye poppers, I thought performed well. I actually enjoy them more than the Stila. I felt like there was more color dimension, more depth. They actually dried a lot faster than the Stila liquid shadows. There was a little bit of flakiness, there was. But you pay $22 for these, you're getting 0.14 ounces. The Stila, you get about 1.53 and you're paying $24. So in comparison, the price range is almost the same. The PATRICKSTARRR is a little less expensive. And I do really enjoy the PATRICKSTARRR One Size Beauty ones better than the Stila. With the Stila, I experience it creasing all the time, no matter what the shade is. There's definitely a ton of flakiness. And I'm not able to apply liner over them. Like, I have a really hard time with liner. These, I did not experience that at all. The shades are beautiful. I am excited to see if he comes out with more shades down the road. But overall, I was really happy with the eye poppers. Now, my favorite thing of the whole collection was the Point Blank Felt Tip Liquid Liner and the gel liners. I absolutely loved this liner. It did everything it claimed to do. Waterproof, long wearing. Literally, I applied it and blinked 5 times and nothing happened. It stayed completely put. Also, I have very sensitive skin and very sensitive eyes. My eyes usually water when I put on any kind of makeup, any kind of liner, and like he said, that did not happen. I had no wateriness with either one of the liners. I put the busty brown liner, gel liner on the bottom. That really stayed put. Usually when I put stuff in my waterline, it'll run, it'll smudge. It's a matter of when it'll happen. This, it did not happen at all. At all. I am in love with these liners, and I hope he takes that same formula and comes out with more shades, because literally I have not found a liner this good. So yeah, overall I thought everything was really great. I really loved the liners. And if you bought every item in the collection, it was $209. That is kind of on the lower end compared to high-end brands. MAC, for example, usually runs between $350 and $400, and that's if they're grouped together, or if you buy them individually, it can be even more. And I really feel like this quality is better than MAC and a lot of other brands. The price range is lower, and I think you're really getting your money's worth. And that being said, I really don't have anything negative to say about this collection at all. I'm really pleased. And actually, I take that back. Hold please. The only thing I wish that they did was, I just would have loved to be able to buy the big PR box. I love that peak packaging, and I would have liked to be able to purchase everything together with that huge, nice, beautiful pink box. Alright, you guys, that being said, I really loved this collection. Now onto our quote for the day. And our quote is directly from PATRICKSTARRR himself, and it's, "Makeup is a one-size-fits-all." Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends, as always, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!